When I bought this house, I had a vision, a wild, colorful snapshot in my mind of what it could be. All it took was silencing the self doubt and dialing up the self belief. Because honestly, when you believe in yourself and when that vision burns bright enough, nothing stands in your way. Not fear, not logic, or definitely not a perfectly functional but painfully boring white kitchen. So out it went, and in comes something way more exciting.
Yeah, now we are finished in the kitchen finally with sanding and the boards and everything. My wife has started the painting with a special chalk paint, I think it's called. It's starting to get really good. Some progress. And now we are in the next room, and here we have put up all the boards, and the new floor heating is covered, and should grind and finish this before we start painting. That's the next step. It will be good. Yeah, this is the boring job with all the finish to take out the uneven things in the boards. But it will be good. It's a big job, but the fun job is to paint and put new colors on later. It's very dusty job.
So what I'm trying to do now is paint the corners first with a little, what's it called? What's your name? Brush. Because, well, I'm not no expert, but to get really tight in the corners. I hope you can see it, by the way. I take a first tiny brush and wipe it out so that you don't get any hard lines. And then when this is dry, go over with it with my big brush. because I tried in another corner the whole way with a big brush, but it doesn't seem to work that nice than when I do it like this. But the color, when it's dry, now it looks really, really dark. Really dark. Almost black. But when it dries up, it gets this beautiful green color. So I finished painting this wall. Well, this was the first wall, if you can remember, in the last video that I painted. And I think it's really beautiful. So then I continued there. Because of the light that's coming in, it looks much darker, but it's the same green. And all around the windows, I had to stop there because the sun was shining in my face. I couldn't see anything anymore. So I'm waiting for the sun to go down. Then I continue there. So now I'm in this little corner and painting here.
Ja, jag tar med ner lasten lite här.
Mm.
Det är min putsdäck där.
Ja, det är din. You are in the way. Going sideways. Somehow it feels easier to spread out the paint first sideways and then go over it like so, sideways, and then go over it like this. Like so. Oh boy. Trying to make some kind of pattern, I think. I will take it up closer one moment. Okay. I don't know if it shows, but I'm in the light. It dries so very fast, but I don't think it shows. But I have to try to make some kind of pattern. Just a small piece left to paint. In that little corner over there. So I will finish that today. So in the meanwhile, while getting changed in some old painting clothes, you can have a look at a picture of the kitchen that we took when we were, it's a show model. And also screenshots of the future to be ceiling. Oh sure, I could paint this fast. in some parallel dreamland where brushes dance and walls paint themselves. But here we are, back in reality, where this is truly the last teensy weensy patch of wall to be graced with this glorious green. A color so lovely it practically sings, but yet so utterly stubborn when it comes to chalk paint. Honestly, it's like painting with muddy butter. It's done. That was the last pencil stroke. Finally. I'm happy. It turned out really good, I think. But now comes the next challenge, so to say, because everything I painted with this chalk paint has to be painted again with a sealer. Oh, we'll see how that turns out. But it's done for now with the green, and it's gorgeous. So voilà.